And good afternoon from the parking lot at Epic Universe. It is my day off. Man, it's still so surreal saying that out loud. Like, it still doesn't feel real in some sort of way. But anyways, Epic Universe has been open for almost a month now. And the grand opening was like super smooth, like unexpectedly smooth. Like the kind of smooth that gets you on every single ride on grand opening kind of smooth. So I'm kind of curious about how things are gonna go today. Like, how are the crowds? Are the crowd levels kind of ridiculous now? How are the wait times? Are the rides still holding up? Things like that. So let's go check up on our new friend Epic, but most importantly, let's go enjoy the day. All right, all past security, everything checked out fine, and we're here at the beautiful Chronos. Now, there's two ways you can enter into Epic Universe. You can go through these little sideways over here, but why would you do that when you could just walk through the actual Chronos? I've heard this area of Celestial Park be called the heart of Epic Universe, and it makes sense because you hear that heartbeat when you walk under the Chronos. Very nice touch. Hello, Epic Universe. How I love thee. Just a quick update, they do still have a ton of the opening day merchandise. Like, here's the opening day shirt with the grand opening 2025 on the sleeve still. They still have these in stock, and they still have all of these too. They still have the pin set over here, the shirt like I said before, and all the single pins too that say grand opening on them. Something I didn't see on opening day was this ornament. This is something new. That's cool, I like that. Has all the worlds represented there. Another thing they have here is actually a crew neck sweatshirt, which looks very comfy, by the way. This does not have the opening day logo on the side though, so this is not an opening day merch, but new merch. So coming over here checking the pins, they do have these mystery pin collection from the Ministry of Magic, the time turners, so you can get a bunch of different styles of time turners on here. Very nice. That chaser in the middle looks cool. I'm gonna get one. I don't know, I'm feeling lucky today. Let's see if I'm lucky. Oof, it is a hot one today, man. I'm feeling it. I've only been here for like maybe 10 minutes, but I'm super hot and super sweaty already. It's about 92 degrees out today, which is a typical summer day here in Florida. The good thing about Celestial Park though is they have a lot of these little water fountains all over the place. So if you just sit by them, most likely you're gonna get spritz with water, and it's a quick little cool down feature here. Thank you, Celestians, for thinking of the heat. Other than that, right now I am looking at the wait times. The wait times are heavier than they were a few weeks ago at grand opening, which definitely makes sense. It's summertime here in Florida. It's the middle of June. We got a lot of people traveling here. The wait times are going to be a little higher than those perfect days for opening. Yeah, it's looking like we have a 25-minute wait for Constellation Carousel, which is pretty big for just a carousel. It's a 50-minute wait for Yoshi's Adventure right now. That's a big one too. 2.5-hour wait for Mario Kart. Stardust is delayed. Fire Drill is delayed. A 75-minute wait for Dragon Racers Rally. Yikes. 90 for Hiccup Swing Gliders, delayed on My Kart Madness, 80 minutes for Curse of the Whale Wolf, oh my goodness. But a 15-minute wait for Monsters Unchained, so maybe we'll head over there first. And the typical 3-hour wait for Harry Potter Battle at the Ministry. Not a shock there. So I mean, 15 minutes for my favorite ride of the park, Monsters Unchained. Let's head over there now. By the time we get over there, it'll probably be a little bit more than 15 minutes, but let's go escape the heat and go on my favorite ride in the whole damn park. The good thing I feel about this place now is it's my 6th time here. I feel very comfortable with navigating this park now. The last time I was here, I took some time to make sure I completely knew every nook and cranny of this park, and I think I feel it. Because when I got up to go to Monsters, I didn't even think twice about it. My body just took me this way, so we're feeling good. Write my name in the sand. All right, we arrived to the portal of Darkmoor, Dark Universe. Let's go. Cue that montage music now.
The hour's approaching.
Oh my goodness. That's the first time I've ever heard noise come out of there. So the wait time still says 15 for Monsters Unchained at Frankenstein's Manor, but the line is now wrapped around the whole building. So I'm gonna test my luck and go on single rider. Here we go. I'm gonna put myself in a locker, catch you on the flip. So a literal walk-on for single rider. So if that's how the day is gonna start, I hope that's how the day ends as well too. Also another seamless run through of Monsters Unchained. Every animatronic working, fantastic. Now I've been on this ride so many times, I've tested out each seat. There's 4 seats on the ride, so depending on where you're sitting, sometimes your vantage point is a little bit different. The seat all the way to the far right, you have the best vantage of everything. That's just my opinion. I'm sure everyone else has a different opinion. I love the detail in these trees, how spooky they look. Almost like you're in a haunted forest. As I was walking in here, I did hear a couple ask one of the team members here if this ride was scary. Yes, this ride is definitely scary. Also, one quick thing I wanted to note before I leave out of this area is I always think this when I ride the ride, but I always forget to like document it. But man, when I'm riding that ride, I feel like I'm riding through a Horror Nights house. Especially the scene where Dracula unleashes all the monsters and they're coming out of the catacombs. I love that scene. It just feels like they're popping out of the boo holes at Horror Nights. As soon as I get off the ride, of course, the ride goes up to a 60-minute wait. We got it just in time. For whom the bell tolls. One little cool little Easter egg that I noticed about this is right up there, you see there is a crossbow hanging up on the edge over there. And if you look across the way over to Dr. Septimus Pretorius, there is a ledge over here full of bows, indicating there was definitely some sort of battle between a monster and someone else over on that tower over there. And it looks like the balcony is broken as well, so you know that monster had a untimely unaliving. This land is full of cool little details, but one detail I noticed the first time I came here was each of the lands have these like side portals, or I guess like side exits that you don't have to walk through the actual portal to get through. Good for crowd control, good for like not having to walk shoulder to shoulder with everybody trying to exit. But one little thing I noticed on the side exit gate for Darkmoor is these planters. So this is pretty much the line between Darkmoor, Dark Universe, and Celestial Park over there. So if you look at these planters, you got plants that are dark and almost look dead and wilted over here, and the planter itself is dirty. Looks like it's been abandoned for years over here. The detail on the gate, the detail on this little gazebo thing over here as well. And as you transfer over into Celestial Park, bam, we're looking clean and pristine, and the plants are alive and beautiful and bountiful. So it's about 12:30. It's getting to lunchtime, and I'm getting a little hungry now. I really wanted to try some things here, like some more snack food that I haven't tried before. They have some fun little things around Celestial Park, like little snack stands, so I'm gonna check it out. There's one over there that sells bao buns that are blue. I don't know, it sounds fun. I'm in a different universe right now, so might as well eat like the Celestians. So the Celestial Steam Bun is a vegetable blend bun with bok choy, shiitake mushrooms, and a vegetarian oyster sauce. And I'm thinking the blue comes from ube. I would assume so, and I hope so. I hope it's not like food dye. All right, let's dive into these buns. Well, that sounded... It's good. I like the veggies in there. I'm not gonna say it like it's mind-blowing or anything like that, but it's good food. Let's try it with the sauce here. It's the vegetable oyster sauce right here. Okay, this sauce, this vegetarian oyster sauce is so good. Oh my gosh, that makes it 10 times better. And it's a little spicy too. That's amazing. Honestly, pretty okay by itself, but when you put that sauce in it, oh my gosh, it takes these buns to a whole new level. Kind of like how I am when I do squats.
It's good for your buns and thighs, right?
Yeah, buns and thighs.
Very good, I like that. I mean, the only thing missing in this is meat. I'm a carnivore, so adding some like chicken to this would have been like even more perfect. So the cool thing about Celestial Park and like Epic Universe in general is there's a lot of blue food items here. If you remember, I got that blue drink over in Ministry of Magic. There's also a blue pizza over at Pizza Moon. Maybe should I eat all blue food today? Today's challenge, only eating blue foods. I like that. There is a blue hot dog that I'm not looking forward to though. Great buns. Anyways, I think I'm gonna head into Ministry of Magic right now to check on Battle at the Ministry, check out the wait times, and I know they have a sign that says single riders, so let's see if single rider is available. Montage, I need you. Where you at?
And we're gonna need a montage. Ooh, it takes a montage.
Battle at the Ministry is currently posted at 2 hours, but they are accepting single riders, so let's go test our luck. Let's go inside. Made it into the Metro Flu for single rider, and they give me a little bit of ground rules I'll go over in a second. So for single rider, they did say it could be between 30 minutes or 3 hours. They don't have a quarter wait time. Parties will be split, obviously, and you have to be able... Excuse me. And they said you have to be able to walk up and down stairs. So here we are, going for single rider. Also, a fun little side note is we didn't get to use the Flu Plowder to go through the Metro Flu. So if you're looking for that experience, you won't get that if you're a single rider. Currently hit the backflow right here. So right now it is 1:25. It is now 3:10. So about a little under 2 hours of waiting time. We're just now getting to the line. So just got out of Battle at the Ministry. Great ride, everything was working, it was a seamless ride, it was beautiful. I feel like this ride through was better than it was last month when I came and rode it. However, we did wait 2 hours in the single rider line to ride that ride, and the regular queue was posted at 2 hours. So honestly, grand scheme, it just makes more sense to just sit into the regular standby queue. That way you can see the whole story of the ride. You get to see the whole queue and the animatronics in the queue too. But that's the way it is. Single rider is always a gamble. You never know. It could, like the lady said at the beginning, it could be a 30-minute wait or it could be a 3-hour wait. Unfortunately, it was a 2-hour wait, which is fine. The good thing about waiting 2 hours inside that building was that there was air conditioning, and we missed the hottest part of the day. So we win. So far, I'm gonna say this is not bad at all. It feels just like a normal busy park day at any theme park in Orlando. This is Universal's biggest park, so even for Universal, this feels like everyone's kind of evenly dispersed. With Ministry of Magic being 2 hours, and that's the longest wait time in the park right now, I don't consider that like a bad park day at all. I don't consider that a packed park day at all either. The only wait time that raises a red flag in this park right now is Yoshi's Adventure, which is a 55-minute wait right now, which is a little ridiculous for that kind of ride. Still, all in all, I think this is a very kind of chill park day. Okay, so what I'm definitely gathering is the theme music that plays around Celestial Park changes as you go near each portal, because now this song is definitely reminiscent of How to Train Your Dragon. Now, I could be very wrong at that fact, but if it isn't, what a great touch. And oh look, a dandelion.
All right, let's head into the portal. We need some montage music, baby.
So we're at Hiccup Swing Gliders right here. It says it's posted at a 45-minute wait, which again, isn't that bad for one of the better attractions in this land. But let's go check out that single rider line. So something brand new as of, I guess, my current visit here at Epic Universe, Hiccup Swing Gliders has gotten rid of their single rider line. The sign for the actual single rider line was blacked out. There was a piece of board over it. When I asked the Viking if the single rider was available, he said, actually, we don't have single rider for this attraction. So it was definitely here the last times I came. So it looks like Universal did away with single rider on that ride, which isn't a big deal. 45-minute wait, I could wait that. That's no worries at all. This little strip right here, when you start flying over the water and you get so close to it, that's my favorite part of this ride. I love it. Best part. Oh, there we go. Hiccup Swing Gliders was good like always. Very short, very sweet. And it was a 45-minute wait time, and we actually waited 30 minutes. So, ha! Take that, single rider. All right, it's dinner time, and that means we're gonna go eat some blue pizza. To continue our blue food excursion, we're gonna head over to Pizza Moon for this. The Pizza Lunare. Okay, this arrived way too fast. I was literally waiting like maybe 2 minutes before this popped out. So the Pizza Lunare has a roasted garlic bechamel as the sauce, fromage de lune, which is that moon cheese, ricotta, pancetta, garlic confit, and an ube pizza crust. It's so pretty, I don't even want to destroy it by eating it, but man, I've been wanting to try this since it came out. Hear that crust? Oh my god. My Italian heart is so fulfilled right now. My actual heart is probably filled with cholesterol. This is beyond good. It's very garlicky, which I don't mind. I love garlic, and I'm not kissing anybody. So the mozzarella and ricotta, man, oh, so good. And that pancetta on top, it's a little bit crispy, but pancetta is naturally kind of fatty like bacon, but a good pancetta has a crisp to it, and this does. Speaking of crisp, this crust is so crispy. It's so good. My dad, I think, would love this. Dad, this bite's for you. Hold on, is this blue or purple? Tell me in the comments down below, is this blue or purple? Oof, I feel extremely heavy after eating that pizza. But anyways, time for the last portal. Montage, here we go. Bright colors and music is blaring. This can only mean one thing, Super Nintendo World. Oh no, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge is on a brief delay. No worries though, there's plenty to explore in this park. This world still blows me away every time I come into it. Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. Yoshi's Adventure is down to a 30-minute wait. Way better than that hour wait time we saw before. All right, we're gonna go head into Donkey Kong Country to go check on Minecart Madness. I mean, this is technically a portal, right? It's like a portal inside of a portal. Montage, it's morphin' time.
It's called a montage.
Ooh, made it into Donkey Kong Country, but those clouds are looking really real right now. Also looks like Minecart Madness isn't running with any guests inside of it, so it looks like it's gonna be down for a brief delay. And my calculations are correct. It looks like we're on a brief delay over here as well. Not much luck in Super Nintendo World right now, but it does look like this rain is gonna be hitting us soon, so most of these attractions are probably gonna go down for inclement weather.
All right, so this is the smoky carrot dog. It's a slow roasted carrot with vegetarian feta on it, with microgreens on a ube bun. So this challenge is definitely purple, not blue, but it's okay because purple's my favorite color anyways. All right, let's give this a shot. It's just a carrot. All right, we're gonna start with the things I like about it first. Like, it does like bite well. So I mean, it does fit. It's not like it's awkward or anything like that. And the carrot is not hard at all. It's slow cooked, so it's very soft. It does have like the slightest sweetness to it. It's probably from whatever glaze they put on there. The vegan feta, let me try it by itself. It doesn't taste like feta at all. It just tastes like vegan cheese. I've had vegan cheese in my past before, and it's all right. It's okay. The best part about this is the ube bun. It's not bad at all. Actually, it tastes really good. The bun actually kind of tastes like a bagel, which I'm all about because I love bagels. I mean, all in all, it's not bad. It's not horrible. It's just pretty basic. It's just a carrot in a bun and some microgreens on top.
And I think that's gonna be it from our trip out here to Epic Universe. It was a very short trip. In fact, this is the last ticket I bought for Epic Universe. When tickets dropped to pass holders, I think it was last year, November, for opening week, I bought quite a few tickets. And honestly, this is the last one I have. So I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be out here. This might be my last trip out to Epic Universe for a while. I'm thinking the next time I do make it out to Epic Universe, it might be when they actually drop annual pass holders for this. Who knows when that's gonna be, but I don't know, we'll see. Dude, I love this park so much, I don't mind buying another ticket to this park. Like I said, it was a short trip, but honestly, a very good trip. With Epic Universe being open a month now, I don't think much has changed. It felt like a normal, busy summer park day, where of course you're gonna have some rides that hit 2 hours. And then of course, sometimes you're gonna hit those rides that are gonna be like 30 minutes or less. And that's exactly what happened today. Today we got on some of the major rides here and didn't have to wait too excessively long. 2 hours for Battle at the Ministry, I'll take it, that's not too bad. 30 minutes for Hiccup's Wing Gliders and a complete walk-on for Monsters Unchained. That's good for a busy park day like today. And hey, we even hit our goal of eating all the blue foods around Celestial Park. And I need you guys to help me out. Is it blue or is it purple? Because the whole time my brain was saying blue up until that pizza. It could have been purple. I don't know, you guys tell me. If you made it to this point of the video, hey, I appreciate that and thank you. If you're new here, hey, my name is Michael and this is Parks and Protein. Come join us, hit the subscribe button. We have fun over here. I eat a lot. Ultimately, I'm just a dude that bought a camera and decided to record one day. It was a great day out here at Epic Universe. Anytime I've been here, the 5 times that I've been here now have always been fantastic and I can't wait. I cannot wait until I can add this to my annual pass and I can come at my leisure whenever I want. But most importantly, I enjoyed my day. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay hydrated and good night. I do wish I could forget that carrot hot dog though. Glad I did it for science, but I never will eat that ever again. Totally forgot about my mystery pin, so we're gonna open this up before the video ends, okay? Here, before I open it up, there's a look. We got the chaser right in the middle there. I really want the chaser too because it looks like you could hang it up and that looks like fun, but we'll see. Oh, haha! Chaser, baby. That's actually super sick. Nice. Got the time turner right there. She flips around. Look at that. Awesome. What a lucky day. Huh, let's see what else I got. We got this one right here. Couple of time turners.